Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on Snapchat. You know how to fix or how to solve server error on Snapchat? You should just go to settings. Here click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat, and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info will go to force stop, and you click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone, and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.